Hi friends, so the shake of the day is gingerbread cookie. And I did already make my husband's, so I know this is yummy. So you're not watching me create and never have tasted like normal. So we've got our scoop. We're starting with vanilla protein. Again, you can use vegan or whey. And then what else is going in this? A medjool date, a scoop of flaxseed, giving us the little bit of a molasses taste. Flaxseed is so good for you, a nice heaping tablespoon. Get all those nutrients. Then we're getting all the nutrients of lots of spices today, which is amazing. I'm a spice freak. So we're doing like a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a heaping 1/4 of ginger, and about 1/8 of ground cloves. And then, even though we're using the vanilla protein, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And you wanna make sure you're using a good vanilla extract, not imitation. So there's our ingredients. And some ice, our non-dairy unsweetened milk, and then we're gonna blend it. Be right back. So here we have 18 amino acids, all the awesome nutrients in our Scho Fit Nutrition protein. We've got all the nutrients from cinnamon, ginger root, cloves, vanilla, medjool date, and ground flax. Lots and lots of health going on in this shake that tastes like a gingerbread cookie. Yum.